guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's CVS haul. Thanks for joining me once again. There are some tier deals going on at CVS right now, and just a quick reminder, they do not track, and if you're doing the spend deal like spend 30 get 10 or spend 45 get 15, it does not follow the 98% rule, so be careful with that. The first deal I'll be doing will be on the Printable detergent. It's on the deal of spend 15, you get $5 back, and it's also on sale for $5.99 each. I'll pick up 3, that way I can be able to get to the 15, and 3 of them will come up to $17.98. I will use 3 of the $2 coupon from 115 savings set that expired today. That will take off $6, leaving me to pay $11.97, and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 items $6.97 or $2.32 each. I have a 10 off of 17x purchase CRT I'll be adding to this. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Eucerin. It's part of the spend 20 you get $10 back. I'll be picking up 3 of the original healing lotion priced at $7.29. I scanned and this one qualifies towards the extra care box. In our 115 savings set, there is a $3 coupon that also applies to this. On the coupon, it states 5 flow ounces or larger, so this is 5 ounces. That means it will also apply to this. 3 of these products will total me $21.87. I'll use those $3 coupon if I'm doing this by itself. That will bring it down to $12.89. I will pay that and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items $2.89 or 96 cents each. But I'll be adding this to the 10 off of 17x purchase CRT. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Suave. It's on sale for $3 for $9, and when you buy 3, you get $7 back. I'll pick up 3 of the Kids shampoo and conditioner, and I'll use 3 of the $1 coupon from January Unilever. That will take off $3, leaving me to pay just $6, and I'll get $7 back, making all 3 items free and a $1 money maker. If you also signed up with the Unilever email, check your email in case you don't have this paper coupon. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the CoverGirl. It's part of the tier deals I was talking about earlier on in the video. It's either you buy 2 and get $6 back, or you buy 3 and get $9 back. It doesn't track, and this is a limit of 1 per card. So make sure you're doing this deal in one single transaction. I'll pick up 2 of the brow pencils priced at $5.79 each, and both of them will come up to $11.58. I'll be using the $3 instant CRT everybody received today, and also in our app there is a $2 coupon I'll be using as well. I printed another $2 from coupons.com. If you have your savings set for today, there is a $3 there that will make this deal better. But with the ones I have, if I'm doing this by itself, I'll end up paying just $4.58, and I'll get my $6 back, making both items free and a $1.42 money maker. The next deal I'll be adding will be on the Nivea. It's on buy 2, you get $5 back. But I'll be picking up 2 of the women body wash priced at $6.49 each. I'll be using a 4 off of 2 from 1 savings set that already expired. But on today's savings set, there is a 3 off of 2, and we also have a $1 digital coupon that will also apply to this. With the 4 off of 2 I'm using, that will take off $5. 2 of them will total me $12.98. When I take off the $5, I'll end up paying just $7.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both items $2.98 or $1.49 each. This is everything I'll be picking up with the 10 off of 17x purchase CRT. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and you can see on my receipt, these are all the items I picked up. Everything I showed you guys. And the coupons, everything came off fine. This deal went very well. It went perfectly. All the coupons came off. The Nivea double dipped. The instant CRT came off. I only used 2 CRTs for this transaction. I only used the 10 off of 70 and also the $3. I ended up using $32 extra care box to pay for this. Paid $1.40 out of pocket, and I got back my $5 for doing the Printable deal. Got back $7 for the Suave, another $10 for spending $20 for the Eucerin, the $6 back for buying 2 of the CoverGirl, and also $5 for buying 2 of the Nivea body wash. This whole transaction ended up being just 40 cents because I paid off $33.40, both the extra care box, and also got back $33. So that made this whole transaction 40 cents. The next deal I'll be doing will be on the whole blend. It's on sale for $2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I will pick up 2 of these conditioner you're looking at right here. I'm only picking up conditioners because my store is kind of wiped out from last week. So I'm picking up the only thing they have. I'll use the 3 off of 2 paper coupon I got from coupons.com. And I also use a 3 off of 2 coupon, digital coupon everybody have if you have not used yours yet. Both will double dip and leaving me to pay just $2 and I'll get $4 back, making both items free and a $2 money maker. I have another 2 off of 12 next purchase CRT I'll be adding to this transaction, but this is only $8. So I will be adding the Neutrogena facial care deal with this particular transaction. The Neutrogena facial care is on the deal of buy 2, you get $4 back, or you buy 3, you get $7 back. It's another tier deal. It doesn't track. You have to do it in one single transaction. I'll pick up 3 of the bars priced at $2.89 each, and 3 of them will total me $8.67. I don't have any coupons. The only thing I'll be relying on will be the 2 off of 12 CRT with the whole blend. If I'm doing this by itself without CRT and coupons, I will end up paying $8.67 and I'll get $7 back, making all 3 items $1.67 or 56 cents each. These are the 5 items I'll be picking up in this transaction. So let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. The coupons, the whole blend coupon double dipped and took off $6. The 2 off of 12 came off as well. I used $7 extra care box, paid $1.67 out of pocket, and I got back $4 for buying 2 whole blend, and I also got $7 for buying 3 of the Neutrogena bar, making this whole transaction free and a $2.33 money maker. The last 2 items I picked up is just some clearance find. Is the mini massager, original price $15.99. It's on clearance for $1.59. I used $3 extra care box and paid 18 cents out of pocket. Thank you all for watching my video and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.